Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the USB debugging and developer options in this device. So first I will show you how to enable the developer options. For this, go to settings, tap on about device, scroll down, tap on version. To enable developer options, tap on 7 times on the version number. You can see you are now a developer. Now the developer options is enabled in this device. For this, go to settings, then tap on additional settings, scroll down. Here you can see developer options. Now the developer options is enabled in this device. Then open it, then scroll down. So to enable USB debugging, under debugging you can see the option USB debugging. To enable this one, just turn on this one, tap on OK. So simply in this way you can enable the developer options and the USB debugging in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.